आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked that the given below are the abnormal conditions related to blood circulation. Name the disorders. That's acute chest pain due to failure of oxygen supply to heart muscles, increased systolic pressure. Right, so basically the disorder is basically the angina, right? Disorder is basically the angina, that's also called as the angina pectoris, right? Angina pectoris. It's basically a symptom, right? It's a symptom of acute, right? Acute chest pain that appears when there is no enough oxygen, right? When there is no enough oxygen that is reaching to the heart muscles, right? So angina can occur in men and women of any age, but it is more common among the middle aged and elderly people. It occurs due to the condition that affect the blood flow, that's the hypertension, etc. So the high blood pressure, right? High blood pressure or the hypertension is term for the blood pressure that's higher than the normal value, right? So in this measurement, the 120 mmHg is the systolic, right? This is the systolic, right, or pumping pressure, right? And the 80 mmHg, right, and the 80 mmHg is basically the diastolic or the resting pressure, right? That's the resting pressure. So increased systolic pressure, right? There's an increase, so the increased systolic pressure, that's around 140 or we can say 150, right? It shown by the hypertension. So the high BP leads to the heart disease. It also affects the vital organs like the brain and the kidney, right? So this is the answer for this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।